So yeah, today we are drawing up 2 designs whānau, so we're going to be doing uno nahi. Well, hopefully we get the 2 designs done. I am so hot. Don't know why. Let me just try and find the ruler. It would seem I have lost it. Very unfortunate, but hey, we gotta carry on. Morena Nixie, how are we doing though, chat? We all good? Alright. This is us, chat. Yo, Tittingham, thank you for gifting us sub, brother. Hello there, bro. Good morning. How are you today, brother? Hope you're well. Ngā mihi nui for coming through too, my bro. Yeah, we are currently live on YouTube as well. Yeah, so today the design that we're going to be doing or putting on today is uno nahi. As I mentioned, that's our design that's going to represent the sea for this piece. So what we're waiting for? Hey, morena. What's the time in South Africa right now? Yeah, so we spent about 3, maybe 4 days on this, which honestly didn't take that long. We got it done pretty fast, which is good. Yeah, I ain't complaining, to be honest. Just quite windy. Oh bro, I'd love me a bit of wind right now, eh? Ooh, she got 9 viewers on YouTube. Giga Chad. So what I'm currently doing is just applying a bit of a border. Oh damn! Yeah, just putting a bit of a border on, chat, which will help so there's no conflict with the design. Yeah, so we don't get any conflict with the design, and then we should be all good. Paper, mate. So we'll try and bang out. How much will we put in here? 1, 2, yeah, 3 at most. So let me just put this border in, chat, and then we should be all good. But yeah, if you're looking, so today they would rather be watching me, you know, game instead. There's the gaming channel and the stream title for you. It was not Brox, but I changed it just so my name was first. And it would be easy to find. It would be much easier to find as well. Well, morning everybody. I woke up this morning, Had an avocado on toast. I actually had to fix a building because of... Oh, true, brother. Have school tomorrow, my class practicals. Oh, you should be asleep here. So next essential, like living in South Africa. Have you been able to see like the wildlife there? Well, that must be fuzzy to see too. Nice music, yeah. I honestly just play game music to be safe. I'll most likely move to some Kabankatsu. Hey! Medium, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Oh, true, brother. Yeah, this is not the vibe I'm wanting right now. That'll do. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is just trying to put just a little border in that we can follow. And I'll do one along the bottom. We've got one along the side as well. So we're pretty good in that department. So we can carry on with that. And eventually start getting into the designing phase. The designing part that'll take the longest is probably this side. Because we have to drop a lot of timber down in order to showcase the takarangi. But it's all good. Man, I wish these copyright things were in a part of like Twitch, eh? Stand and visit the wildlife or... Oh, true! Ah, that's mean. Sorry, I think it's a better atmosphere playing Maori music. Oh man, it must be a sight to see a bloody elephant there in the distance. An animal that holds a lot of mana, I must say. What's the vision for this piece? Exclamation mark? Discord? Oh, actually, I wonder if I can just pull it up, eh? So I did a rough little sketch out in Discord, but essentially, you know, it'll change. It won't. That's it there. Bro, I'm pretty straight without a ruler. To find this music, just type in Matatini. I'm just playing Matatini album. They fumbled with it though, so they were trying to redo a lot of the most renowned songs within Te Matatini, and yeah, it's like they gave up and just uploaded like the brackets from ages ago. What's up, Sid? What's up, Brother Wolf over on YouTube? How are you, brother? Okay. Cheers for joining the old YouTube stream there, brother. Kua hawa e tara mai nuku Ko te tūmata ora Ka tūmata te ngā Toa na warenga Ka manawa Meru he kura Ka kakuru ada kino Ka hinga ake It's like a wooden sword. So we did the like underneath the canoe, so that's the shape we went for. And now the design we have to do, brothers. So in my culture we have this design called Uno Nahi, which represents the sea. So the person this is going to, he asked if I could do a design that represents the sea. Because he's fascinated by the sea and deep space, or it just so happens within my culture, brother, we have designs for two. Luckily. So that's the plan with that, my bro. So I'm just straightening up my line. Now, we've got our border going on, so what I have to do now is map out, I have to map out where I'm gonna do the spirals as well. With the Kia. Hey, what am I, bro? How pencil sharp one for the stream today? I'll be honest, we don't. She is not sharp one bit, my bro. But I have my chisels on standby. But it was, nah, you're good, we're all good, brother. So let's map out where these spirals are gonna go. I'm thinking one here. Fuck, these are gonna be big, man. So we'll do one here. One here. Hey, morning thunder, chemo bro. Sporting a spongy, kia ora. One. Two. If it looks like I'm drawing a whole bunch of nothing, I'm just prepping stuff that you might not see yet, okay? Bang, bang, bang. Because Whakairo ngō mai Ki taku manawa E kapa kapa ne. So if I do the spiral, maybe we want to go that way back, okay. Here we go, chat. So Uno Nahi chat, Uno Nahi is a design that can be a representation of the sea, and that's all we're up to. We're trying to do a design, or not trying to, we are. We're doing a design that represents the sea. So basically what the bro wanted it to represent was the mysteries of the deep sea. And also, you know, the mysteries of deep space. So, and that's what we're up to with this as well. So it's going to be a lot of chopping and changing. This is going to be what we're doing today. How long have you been married? Well, like, it's our 1 year anniversary next month. How the time has passed, my bro. He goes, oh, I wanted to drink for our anniversary, but you fucked that up, aka me, because she's pregnant. Not that she's complaining, she was just being a cheeky smartass, that's all. And yes, I am left-handed. Sorry, shit. Tukuna atu o ka ea taku wahine purotu. What's up, monster? Hope you all enjoying the stream there, YouTube. Ngā mihi nui. Drinks black coffee. That is absolutely bleh. Whoa. These one examples of the two designs that we're doing on the screen. Might do that, eh? Just chuck them in the corner. Yeah, I want to do a karaoke stream, but I want to do it to the point where I have kinda like a setup where I can dress up. I'd rather do it that way. I reckon it'll be much more fun. I think it'll be fun to dress up. I have to go to the store now, have a good stream. All good, son. Have a good one, man. Gotta go, man. All good, Wolf. Have a good one, brother. I saw you getting here with the hammer and chisel and electric hand playing. What other tools get you to finish more chisels? That's about it. I only decided to use power tools this time around just cause. Speaking of deep sea, deep space, do you have any mythical deep sea creature stories from your culture? So the closest thing we have to, you know, beings that live within the depths of the sea in our culture is the marakiho. Now, a marakiho is what some would think is a merman, but we actually carve them in our culture too. A marakiho has the, you know, body of a man and a tail of a fish, but they're actually kaitiaki. So majority of the you know, the mythical beings within the sea that, you know, within our culture that we look up to the most are just tohora or your all the animals, really. So we see them as tipua, you know, godlike beings. Then we have, you know, the main man that lives in the sea itself, Tangaroa. In terms of space, though, we don't really have anything. Majority of it is here from the sea. So there's one ancestor by the name of Te Tahi o Te Rangi, who, as I mentioned the story on stream before, he was the one that came up with the proverb Waiho mā te whakamai patu, let embarrassment be their punishment. And in his, towards the end of his life, he went to the sea and then eventually turned into one. I've carved one myself as well. It was a good little project. Any plans for Waitangi Day? Probably take the kids out because my wife's working, unfortunately. But you know, good for her. But yeah, probably just take them out for Waitangi Day, and there's a couple of events around the town. But what I always tell them, you know, I educate them on, you know, Waitangi Day as a whole, so they know about the treaty and all that stuff. That was always the first thing I was always gonna teach my kids was, you know, our history. The ones that's not taught in school. That was always gonna be my first thing as a dad to teach them. Just so they're proud of who they are. But enough to frame the late. So he was a priest. Te Tahi o Te Rangi was a priest in his time. Very old and frail. And the tribe at the time decided, you know, let's go and gather titi, or mutton birds. They're on Whakairo, otherwise known as Whakairo Island. So their volcano that blew up with a lot of tourists on it a couple years back. Her. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our mountains have genders. And so they went there and to gather PT or mutton birds, and they didn't want this old man to go with them because slow, very slow, waste time. And then eventually, you know, they just had enough and said, okay, let's bring him then. And he took that long. They left him there, and when he had got his haul, he went back. He turned around and saw that they had left him there. And obviously, you know, that pissed him off, as it would anyone. And so, being a priest, or he sent a karaki out to the sea, or a prayer. And the one that answered his prayer was a tohora, or a whale. And it carried him back to shore. And the whale went past the tribe while they were on the waka going back. And you know, they were embarrassed by what they had done. And he sat on the shore waiting for them to come back. But he done nothing. And that's when that quote, waiho mā te whakamā, let embarrassment be their punishment. That's essentially what happened with them. Jaya. And yeah, towards the end of his life, he returned to the sea, or jumped into the sea, and then eventually turned into a marakiho. And normally, so there's a mouth in Whakatane. If people are struggling and drown out there, he'll swim up and push them back up, so they don't, you know. I don't want to say the word on which. But he serves as a kaitiaki now. Well, that's the story I was told. So we've done one. On to the next one. Bro, I'm so hot, bro. It's muggy. Let me try and find a marakiho example for you. Normally the way a marakiho is depicted, it's normally with its long tongue and eating a fish. I'm just trying to find an example on here. Oh yeah, I found one. So that's the marakiho there, the link. But I mean, they carved throughout, they're carved throughout, you know, all the tribes of the country. So shit. I'm cheating a little bit, alright? Work smarter, not harder. So that's the depiction of the marakiho in that link there, whānau. And they are depicted in many different ways as well. At the same time with one of my ancestors, her name was Haumapu here. So the way she became a taniwhao or marakiho all goes back to a time with her and her father. So there were two puna. There were two puna where they were living. One was a good puna and the other one was a very sacred one that people didn't drink from. But the sacred one was the most closest one. Okay, you get my drift. And basically, her father, late one night, asked, "Oh, can you go and get some water for us?" And she, you know, got all pissy, didn't want to. And then eventually, you know, she got the bucket, but she went to the one they weren't supposed to drink from. She got the water, took it back to her dad, and as soon as he drank it, he knew straight away which one it was. Outraged by what she had done, he grabbed her and cast her into the water. And then eventually, you know, put a curse on her, and she turned into a marakiho. Or a taniwhao, if you want to call it that. And what happened was the sun, she was, you know, crashing around in the valley trying to find a way to get out to the sea so she'd be safe from the sun. So she wouldn't turn into stone. And, well, as she was crashing throughout the valley, she created the lake known as Whakairo, which is one of the lakes I'm from. And unfortunately, at the end of it, she was caught by the sun and turned into a toka. Went to stone, pretty much. So where she was located, unfortunately, a power company decided to destroy the stone she turned into. Which is, you know, typical. But at the bottom of this lake she created, the whole forest is petrified, eh? And, my, my grandfather, or a lot of my grandparents actually, so these hotshot Navy divers wanted to, they were like doing surveys of all the lakes around the country. And then, so they went in to survey Whakairo and they said we're never going back in that lake again. They forgot with the petrified forest at the bottom of the lake, whānau, there's bigger things that roam around down there too, and they just happened to bump into two eels. So when they're in their submarine, they were, they could see two big shadows starting to surround them, and they started, you know, enclosing on them. And then, you know, they went up, went back, like boosted a little bit, and then they stood up and looked at them like that. And then yeah, they said, fuck that, like. And when the Navy diver said that, all the elders just started laughing. And in saying that too, with home mapu here, even though the toka was destroyed, the stone, many of my grandparents and my elders say, because you can walk around that lake here, it takes a week. We did that when we were younger. There's always signs, so my grandparents always said if you see a young girl hop out of the water and look at you, it's a good sign. But if you see an old lady pop out of the water and look at you, that's a bad omen. And that's home mapu here as well. And I haven't seen it personally myself, but a lot of my grandparents have had encounters like that. Hey, Skiawaza, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Tēnā koe. Thank you very much. Hey, what's up, Frankie? I'm so excited for Matatini chat. You have no idea the topics that are gonna be spoken this year, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. There's a certain three within this country that are gonna get a lot of shade thrown at them. Sir Optimal, thank you for the 33 months, man. You already... Hey, brother. Bro, we haven't even gotten any clothes, my bro. Although we have saved a lot of both our daughters' clothes throughout their life of growing up. So we're going to go through all the clothes we put away this weekend and see what we have. We got a pram and is it a... What's called? Is it bassinet? Keep forgetting what it's called. We got the two of them second hand for goodbye. And so we got a pram for $200. It's like, still looks brand new, but the person that's had it for 2 years. So W for me and my wife, and then we bought a little, I think it's called a bassinet, eh? For $80. And those are normally like really expensive, and yeah, we're not really ones to buy new things if it costs too much. If we can get something nice that's second hand, we'd rather go with that. Thank you for the 33 months though, brother. I'm excited, bro. And nervous, but something that I have in my mind constantly is that I really need to be switched on for my wife after she has the baby. One of my biggest fears when she gives birth is postpartum depression. And so what I want to do my best for her is try and do all the housework that I can so she doesn't have to, so she can just wake up, relax, feed the baby if she wants to go for a walk. Just so she's alright. Like, she didn't get hit with it at all, but, you know, at the same time, it's, you know, just want to make sure she's okay. Yeah, she's never had it, but you just never know, eh? Thank you, brother. So, yeah. So you may, see me if I have like random late night streams, chat. If I seem tired on day streams at all, just know I'm tired for a good reason. But I will continue to bring the energy. I promise you that. Wanna know why? So I'm stubborn as hell. Hey, what up, Tiny Pirate? And our eldest daughter's a bit of a mother hubbard too. She's always been like that. Like, she even told me, Dad, I can help you. I was like, you just focus on being a kid. I appreciate it, but I want you to be a kid more than, you know. She's that type of person. She's like me, but she's a lot like her mother too. The youngest though, oh, she's 100% like me. Little bulldog. She takes shit from no one, chat. Can you see it? So you can kind of see what we're going with. So we just got to do that one now. Cheers, steady. Cheers, my bro. Up there. We've almost actually finished one side. Get ready to chat, because we're going to be hearing a lot of this at the end of the month. Because the Nationals is next end of the month. How you, my bro? We've almost finished one side, brother. So we're making good progress. It's the bloody Sunday. Yeah, it's the front. Ah, a little bit of a sun glare. Hold up, that's not the center. Our center is here. Shirahiro, tēnā koe. Potato t-shirt, and then we do the other side. I'm glad we're one-shotting this though. Tired as hell, had the kid's birthday. Whee! Happy birthday to your boy, my bro. Is it your tama's birthday? Was it your tama's birthday or... I shouldn't assume, eh? Aroha mai. Hei Hiro, no hea koe. Ooh, okay. He's growing up so fast, but I don't know what to do. Oh, my bro. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for the teens. Because my eldest is starting to act like one when it comes to the tantrums. Boy, oh boy. But what I normally do when she's like spinning out, like I'll normally say, should I record you for your auntie? Because her auntie's her teacher at school. And apparently she's an angel at school. Like, since when? I was telling her auntie, but she's a little shy at home. She has her moments. This is my jam. Kia ki te rai, nā wai hoku tupuna e. I wara ka kia koe rā au e. I te pōri uri ki te potanga tango he. Oh, this might be just a bit too small. I pō e. Yeah, I paku paku rawa. Damn, bro. When you're a kid, everything is the biggest bar. My daughter was like, I can't wait to grow up. I was like, trust me, you don't want to. You don't want to, my friend. Sorry, tell me if I'm too loud, chat. So, recalibrating within the spacing department, chat. Tai hoa. O te poe. Almost done on one side, whānau. Mutuana tēnei, we carry on. Hey, what up, Edness? Chat, got a volume note. Sing louder. He wero Yukiri kai o taku tinana. Chat, did I sharpen my big V? I don't know if I did. Wero Get up the Guy Fawkes lines. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, chat. I'm being so, like, picky about spacing right now. Take this bloody thing off. Today's the first day it's been quiet. School holidays officially over. Yeah, I seen your photo last night, mate. Cozy.com, right? Looks like cozy little setup, my bro. Fuck. Hold on, chat. So what happens when you're picky about things, eh? If it doesn't visually look good. It's not good. I might have to lift everything that way by slightly. Sorry for the lack of space, chat. Fucking glare. So ugly Fortnite fueled miss. Oh, has there been your kids jamming? Yeah, I think because I seen you online and I was like, wow, this one has been playing Fortnite for ages. Come on now. Flow with me now. There we go. Appreciate your lines. Oh, this is visually not looking right. Can't wait to watch Matatani, bro. It's gonna be gangster. Alright, that's that side done. Yep. So it's not done yet though, okay? Fuck, my lighting is shit, eh? Your pencil is blunt as hard. Doing those Guy Fawkes lines, my bro. How we doing, YouTube? Kaite pai koutou? He's all good. What you're listening to? Just Kapahaka, my bro. Rowan MCT, thank you very much for the raid, brother. So my hide and my welcome to the art side of the channel. We're just prepping a design right now. Getting it all ready. Getting all prepped so we can carve it tomorrow. Ed Mahi. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm wondering if I should put the mic over there. Hey Rowan, how are you, man? Hey, Teddy! Okay, why were you not acknowledged? Hold on. What's going on here? There we go.
Teddingham tipped $20. You have a lovely singing voice. Wink, wink.
Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you very much for the $20 dollar, my bro. So what we have to do now... So what we have to do now, as you can see... We've got most of it done. So we need to add the fillers in those big spots there. And then... we're not finished after that either. We need to start adding the fish scales. There's quite a bit to do. But... it ain't hard, alright? It ain't hard. Thank you, brother. We're gonna do that. So we'll get these fillers in here. So we gotta fill all those. And when we're done, we have to add the fish scales as well. Because, you know, the fish scales is kind of the section that helps with the design as well. So I'm looking for a song that I like. We've got to add all of these in now. Oh! Is that one? Next one. Just ended stream and saw. Hey, cheers, man. Yeah, it's a bit of a. She's a bit of a cozy one today. It's mainly just trying to get this design all set in stone, pretty much, and then we can progress forward as well. So yeah, let's get these fillers done. We get these fish scales in. Yeah, we should be good. But thank you very much for all those that are, you know, relaxing here today, whether you're on Twitch or YouTube. Hello from Croatia. Kia ora, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. Next one. Ooh, these are some big lines, man. Some big lines. Holy hell. Go, go. Okay, now we do the other side. So we filled out these ones, and now we do the other ones. Oi! My goodness!
Johannes Teddingham tipped $10. I'm gonna leave now. May you all have a good time. Don't anger the giant Tony Chopper. Wink wink.
Yo, Teddy, have a good day, man. Thank you very much for the $10 donor as well, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Turny chopper. Appreciate the Aroha, my bro. Thank you very much, good sir. See you, brother. I'll probably see you tomorrow, my bro. There's the gaming stream, but those are pretty like quiet. Thank you, brother. Yup, yup. Pipi ko pipi pararoa. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'll leave that there for now. We'll let that simmer for a little bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we take that one out. Let's have a bit of equality. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One. Two. Three. 4. 5. There you go. Now, what we do now is fish scales, okay? Ready? So our first ones are gonna go over here. Next one. These are kids. We've detected... Wait, what? Kapahaka has been more info. Ain't no way. Playing Kapahaka is balking my VOD on YouTube. What's up, Dead Pulse? I shouldn't play this group then. Oh, that's cringe, bro. Oh, that's cringe. Okay. So that must have been why the view count dropped, like, Hundy? I mustn't be allowed to play... Bro, I'm not allowed to play certain Kapahaka groups. That's crazy. I don't really feel like playing, Red Dead. Bro, that's actually crazy. I can't play any of that. Hey, Zakaria's thanking for the 37 months, my bro. Choo. That's crazy. From Baltimore. Hey, what up, big dog? Would I get in trouble for playing Skyrim? Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, no, my VOD just got a warning. My VOD on YouTube just got a warning for, must have been some group. And one thing I know is you can get a warning for playing Ngāti Whakairo, hence the reason why I turned them off. Yeah. Been looking for you for ages. Hey, what's up, Rox? Welcome, brother. Yeah, just a bit of a cheeky YouTube live as well, since we're inside doing the, just prepping the design, really, brother. That's all we're up to right now. So, we finished all of this. Well, finished one side, so we've done all of that. All we need to do now is add the fish scales to this design. And we're chilling, and then we draw up the other side as well. Sheet states! Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Over on Twitch. Let the sauce, let the door of me more. Hold on, chat. Yeah. Yeah, bro. I got a copyright. Oh, my VOD on Twitch got booked for playing Ngāti Whakairo. I was like, bro. I was like, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, I couldn't believe it, eh? How did you get into doing woodworking like this? So Whakairo is Maori wood carving, and it's something that's been part of our culture for a number of generations, pretty much. So it's not like some normal woodworking thing that I do. It was basically a way for my ancestors to pass down knowledge as well. We didn't have a written language. We didn't have a written form. It was all like, passed down, like face to face, pretty much. But we had methods of recording our history through song, song and dance. You may know the haka. Something else is Whakairo. Whakairo was another one too, so Maori wood carving. Keep in mind though that this is not, a historical piece. It doesn't hold a story of anything in particular. This is just like a decorative commission. And the bro just wanted it, so the guy that's receiving this wanted it to represent, the sea in space. But essentially, like with a lot of the pieces that we do of our ancestors, that's kind of how we record our history. Do you have any ancestors pieces from your seniors? They're all within our ancestral meeting houses. I don't have one in my house at all. If I did, I'd probably be getting in trouble. How did you get that? For instance, on my grandfather, had a taiaha that our ancestor used. Unfortunately, my uncle gave it to one of our aunties, and she cut it to suit her son. And yeah, that was fucking amazing to hear. That was an amazing set of news to hear, our ancestral heirloom on my grandfather's side getting cut in half just to suit one of the younger cousins. But luckily though, on my grandmother's side, I've received an ancestral heirloom. That's in my care till I find, someone I can pass it on to. The only reason why I got it is because I'm a Whakairo. Oh, because I do Whakairo, basically. That's one of the reasons why. Within my grandmother's side of the family, there hasn't been, in the direct line, there hasn't been someone who's taken up Whakairo in generations. Till little old me came along. And my grandfather, who is the chief, my grandmother's cousin, was the one that gave it to me. So kind of, his word is law kind of thing. But I had originally said no. I was like, nah, I'm not worthy of that. And that's when he said, well, that's that for reason. That's that for that reason. That for reason. Holy English, bro. That you are, and I'm your chief, and you're gonna take it. It's like, oh, okay. I can't really say no to you. So yeah. Can you show the heirloom? Yeah, I'll probably show it outside, but I'm probably not here. Really nice tattoos as well in the same style. Ah, well, to tell you the truth, all the designs within Whakairo actually transition into moko, which is tamoko, which is another art form we have within our culture. So kind of like all of these, you see, throughout my arm. That's why ringa whao or carvers can transition so well into tamoko. So tamoko is another method that our ancestors used as well. It's normal ink. So back in the day, they had you know, other materials to use for the ink. But these days, you know, with modern material, we have you know, things or products that like the inks that we have to this day. Another one here. Hold on, chat. Oh no, they're the same size. Any other diff for using a pencil? Using a sharp pencil, probably. But I prefer to use a pencil anyway. People can use a Sharpie, but you can't find the center line and the thick line of a Sharpie. Thank you very much, Lord Clay, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora. Seeing as how with a pencil you can, you know, you can gradually find that center line. Hold on, chat. Was so calming. Cheers, brother. Also, we'll be shooting the first episode of Carve It Up next week. Next week, Getiri. If you don't know what Carve It Up is, chat, it's a podcast that I'm doing. Having a go at, I should say. Just something new to try this year. Instead of, you know, doing the same old, same old. Getting out of the old comfort zone and trying new things. Yo, Pro Stopper, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. We're 9 out of 3 on the daily sub goal. Appreciate you, Fano. If you would like to contribute towards the sub goal, Fano, it is much appreciated. If not, and you just want to chill, that is all good too. What a jet. Oi. Just wondering now if I should space these. I think I should. Yeah. Yeah, let's space them out. So instead of doing the fish scale designs directly in this one, we'll skip up a bit. So we'll go second one. Hey, K-Red! Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. Thank you very much. If you do get a gifted sub in the stream and you are here, please give the gifter a thank you, please, from me, please. Appreciate the aloha, my bro. We are at... Oh, we got a level 3 hype train. I didn't even know. Hey, what up, Bucks Boy? What up, Vodka? Scale like things currently drawing. How do you decide where they go? Visuals, really? If it looks visually nice within my brain, then I just go. If it looks ugly as hell, then we readjust. Just like I'm readjusting right now. So I had... So these fillers here, I had it directly into this row, but it was conflicting with these ones. So that's the last thing we want, is it like conflicting. It didn't visually look right to me. So we switch it up a little. Needed to have like a flow to it. But yeah, we'll try and smash out majority of this tomorrow. This design. It shouldn't take too long though. Yeah, if I don't get this other side started today, could either bang it out tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. Bet you, you're awesome. Love everything you do. Keep up the great work and stay blessed. Cheers from Michigan. Hey, McBride. How is it over in Michigan though? Hey, what's that, Rabbit? Hope everything is going smooth over there on your side of the world, brother. Yeah, so normally in the evenings I do gaming streams as well, but I've stopped doing them on my main channel. I don't do them here anymore. Gosh, we lose more and more followers every day. I wonder what's happening. Hope everyone's all good. Ooh, a slight earthquake. those two. What's up between brackets? Oh, maybe chat, let me do this side as well. Yeah, I'm glad we skipped one row and did it in the next. Alright, here we go. Chat, Friday might be a day off. It's my brother-in-law's 30th birthday this Friday, and unfortunately I have to go. I was trying to tell my wife, just go with your sister, man, take the kids so I can stay home and stream. She's like, you're gonna get your fat ass in their truck and drive us. It's like, damn it. Hey, Pro Stopper, thank you very much for the 5 bomb as well, brother. Thank you very, very much. Appreciate the aroha. Once again, chat, if he's getting a gifted sub here, by all means, please thank the gifters. It'll be much appreciated if you can do that for me, please. Papa Tsunuku wants a carving too. That would have been Ruomoko, my bro. Ruomoko is the god of earthquakes and volcanoes. Just picture it like a big ass contraction. That was him. Thank you very, very much, Pro Stopper. So you can kind of see like the difference now, as opposed to the empty lines that you saw before. So we're starting to expand these fish scales out now, which is good. When I was teaching my daughters about these designs, they went, Papa, it looks like a fish. I went, it is. I killed Nemo. They did not fall for my bullshit once. Been cold, icy, and haven't seen the sun in a few days, but I'll be on a cruise next week. Hey, nice. My man gonna be in cruise control. Love to see it. Love to see it. My mother-in-law, she suggested taking the kids on that Disney cruise. I was like, do you see me be locked on a boat with more screaming kids? I don't. I do not see myself being stuck on a boat with a lot of screaming kids. I'll be sick of it, man. I'll be sick of it like by the second day. Let me find a sharpener real quick. Oh, we got no sharpener, shit. Oh, where's this kids and all the artsy crafts shit? Right, they have all the artsy stuff, but they hide it from me. Hold on, chat. Thank you very much for the hype train, guys. Alright, where are we? Here. Look, I even sharpened it. Hey, Ninja! Chamaber! How are you, brother? Gee, you already know what we gotta hit right now. Oh, shit. One, two, three, let's go! Hey! Pull up to the Zeppelin, we got things to do. In the quiz once again. Also, I may have revived the milk bowl chat. We got some elves on the way with some friends. Hit it with a fade leaf, now we on 10. All the time in the mud, clean on 10. You better subscribe. If you want to Twitch Prime. We're gonna do one more time. We're just trying to find some purple lotus. Shaman with the sign, and we got totems. We're just trying to find some purple lotus. Shaman with the fire, we got totems. If you ain't subscribed yet, then what are you doing? Damn, I should have waited till the part of the song to use my Twitch Prime. That's right, I gotta stream to get it. Oh, nice, brother, bro. It's always gonna be here. I don't know how long the streams are gonna be clean for, my bro, with you know, the government trying to sell the country off. But it's clean for now, my bro.
Aussie Files belly life. We got Grubby, that's a Warcraft legend. Miss Cave drama never ending. Folks wanna get in the shadows. Shout out all the mods I don't know. Fendi is now what we do. Even so, I really don't wanna work tonight. I just wanna
One moment. I'm just locked in right now. Super locked in.
Why Sophia simping over peekaboo? Belling up, I guess he hit a move. Julius said. Silly and somehow leveled up. Hit him with a dandy face one time. Moon died at 59. Stormfall hit 61 times. Sun glitters inside of her mind. We got Jimmy, we got Floodin'. We got Annie, we got Guzu, I'm just running through names. We got Abby, we got Nan, we got Bouquet. We got Fago, can't forget about Zoro J. We got everybody on the bench right there. There'll be plenty of the rest, don't be hating. Don't let the drama, only thanks be the end of a song. We cannot work tonight. I just wanna lay with the gang all night.
I don't wanna wipe tonight. Hold on, chat. Just gonna do one more. Bandy is now what we do. Let's do these two for scales and then we can carry on.
Yeah, boy. We sell guns and shit, yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Double P-E-E. Hey, Tripper. Did they shooting you out? Yeah, it's going on good, my bro. It's Mahi as usual. Mahi. Double up.
We riding in the Bentley. Yeah, buy your bloody guns from me. Yeah, double up.
Beep, beep, beep. It's petard and pigeon, double B. You know how it be. It's double B, baby, double B. Shoot you in the head, 1, 2, 3, 3. Double B. It's double B. You know I lost the bench and I don't want to see. Side's almost done, which is good. Oh man, it's hot. Fuck. You know with her, man. The rest of it's just a Wakamomahara. Oh, just the shape, that's all I'm using. The bro wanted it to represent the sea in space, and lucky we have designs for that. And I thought just using just the waka shape will suffice pretty much. Double B.
You know, I made Patar wake up to make some guns, and then he lost his key. Maybe it was me. It was me.
It was me. I Tokyo Key. Oh, that's not even centered. God damn. Reading from France. Kia ora. I'll probably be replaying Space Marine Team 2. Do your thing, brother. Do your thing. Enjoy it. Enjoy your time. Double B, 1, 2, 3, ABC.
I'm on that pace blooming alcohol.
Let me try and get the center
I
here.
got some down touring I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm on the devil till that day I fall.
Yeah, long as the hood love me. Please stop here. Why someone got that fire? And these know there's no cameras, man. Yeah, fuck me, your body. All that is manner. She's a strict diet, that's my healer. And with no rest, she attended. But the best of the bread, she's the red and the red, you know I know. You see all the GPS. All you DPS and I level when I'm on, RP when I don't. Got that T1 credit, that's that multi card. You know I never wanna see us swipe. I just wanna make us brown. I'm on that peace blooming alcohol.
I got some down touring I can call.
I don't know what I would do without you.
I'm on the devil till that day I fall.
Yeah, long as the hood love me. Yeah. Hey bro, coming to New Zealand in May. Couple days around the body. Need you check out. Nice. I mean, Rotorua is where the Maori tourism is in the country. Well, it's the heart of Maori tourism, really. If you want to get this way, it's kind of close to where you are. What else? There's Mo'o, can walk up Mo'o and Tauranga. If you want to do a bit of a trek. Oh, bro, Tongariro Crossing. I feel like you're probably going to do that though. Which is another mean one as well. Oh, bro. Spoiled. You're spoiled for choices, brother. My favorite place in the country, probably Queenstown, my bro. But in the winter too, so that's a W. Coastie girl, ain't no doubt. Gotta have 3. Yeah, oh, Hopperton, yeah. My brother, he's big into trekking. Oh, bro, yeah. Tongariro trekking is, crossing is mean, bro. It's like mean as. It's been a couple years since I've done it, but bro, it's pretty on. Cheater from Ruatoria. So Hobbiton is in Matamata, which is kind of 40 minutes away from me in Rotorua, and it's the home of where the Hobbit, like the Shire and Lord of the Rings, was shot. Love from South Africa. Hey, thank you. There's over on YouTube. Kia ora, kia ora. How is it on that side of the world, man? I know it'll be late for you because we got someone from South Africa in the chat as well. I just want to take a drive. White County Highway 35. East Coast brown eyed Maori girl. Marty, it's 12 p.m. Oh, yeah. Any more love from South Africa? Hey, kia ora everyone from South Africa. Appreciate you for being here tonight or today. Hope all is well on your side of the world as well. Love from Germany. Kia ora. Where's everyone from anyway? I should come here more often. My depression suddenly disappeared. Not, you should, you will. And just remember, hey, don't be afraid to open up. I'm here if you want to talk. I'm not Dr. Phil, eh? I'm just, some mildly fat guy. Mild fat dad all the way from Aotearoa. That, can eat a cheeseburger in 2 bites. I love World of Warcraft. I love my kids. I love drinking water. And, yeah, that's me. But I'm willing to, kick back and chat if needed to with people, Don't be afraid to open up, my brothers, because that's the thing that holds us back the most is our own minds. Appreciate you all and just want you to know that, eh? Oh, this is my jam! Yeah, one of the things I'll be pushing this year is men's mental health. It's not spoken about enough. And I feel like as brothers there, throughout the world, we don't, we don't let our bros know that we love them enough in the world so they know they're appreciated. So if there's ever that person, ever that bro within your life that you want to tell them that you love them, go tell them. Nothing wrong with it. You play well? Yeah, brother. Yeah, I've been playing a bit of hardcore lately. It's so fun, bro. Me, mer, me, mer, me, mer, me, mer, 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 me, mer, me, mer, me, mer, me, me. Fuck, it's such a crack up song. That is so a crack uppy. Yeah, it's, so I'll be doing a few things with men's mental health this year as well. That's another new thing that I want to do. I want to cover that more than anything else this year. Like the other new things that I'll be doing is a podcast and voice acting. Jumping into that. That's something else that I enjoy as well. But all in all, yeah, men's mental health be the main one. It be the main one, man. Just taking the positivity. You take it, mate. Like I always say with the stream, it's my little cheeky corner of the internet where people can chill. Many men who have been taught to... Yeah, hard. My grandfather, he was, he was brought up in that generation that was, taught to, don't show emotion or you're soft cock, but, he had other thoughts, and surprisingly, he was the one that kind of taught me to be more open. And my grandfather was a bit of a, a hard ass as well, and like a very stoic person. And, yeah, so seeing that from him, kind of just, was like, oh, okay. He'd always say to me, look after that too, and he'd like fist bump my forehead. Not hard, but And I didn't get it till I got older, and obviously he meant your mental health. He would always just say, look after that too, bonk. And I was like, the hell? WTF? Did you just hit me? And yeah, as I got older, I fully understand what he meant. The reason why you want to cover men's mental health, because it's not spoken about enough. And, I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that's lost family members to suicide. But, yeah, it's... Oh, fuck. I fucking hate it, eh? If there's somewhat of a difference I can make, then I'll do it. I've seen a lot of, young fellas in my life that have a lot going for them in their lives, and then next thing you know, they're taking their own lives. And yeah, it sucks, man. It fucking sucks. Did you get into Maori wood carving? My uncle was the one that introduced me to Whakairo at the age of 12. And then eventually I carried on doing it within my life. But yeah, age of 12 he introduced me in school. Every Friday we'd have school subjects outside of the normal school curriculum. And Whakairo was one of them. I just joined out of curiosity and I was like, oh, uncle's a teacher. I wonder what he's teaching. And before we even picked up the tools, he taught us about the history, what our ancestors went through in order for us to have it today. And when I came to the carving part of the class, my uncle was watching me. Like, I'd never seen Whakairo in my life, or done it, I should say, not seen it. Seen it all my life. And he asked me, have you done this before? And, not really. It's my first time. And it turns out a natural knack for it. And what happened after that, sorry about that, he told me that, Whakairo runs deep in my family's bloodlines. On both sides of my family. And he was just buzzing that, I caught on fast without genuinely knowing what I was doing. And he kind of just wanted to nurture that. He wanted to nurture that as we were growing up, and here we are today. Now, unfortunately, my uncle has passed away since. He has passed away since, and very young, very young. He but that's all the more reason to carry on carving too, for his legacy. Here it is, chat. That's one side done. Woo! Bro, it is so hot, bro. It's hot inside. I don't know, like being inside. Have a good sleep, Jaguar. Jaguar. So we pumped all of that out farming. We finished that side, which is good. Now the next side, so on this side we have to do Takarangi. Sure he will be proud. Yeah, brother. One thing my cousin's always said is all his students that are still carving today were his pride and joy more than his kids. It's like fucking typical, uncle. Yeah, when I found that, I was like, that's such a typical response from him. Yeah, my cousins would always say, he loved you more than us. I was like, oh, yeah, sorry. Ki te kora he ahawe Utoga tuku iho Hidoi Huagaro te wahaki te kahe Parakoki. How are we doing, everybody? Is everyone all good? But how long did that take us? 2 hours? 2 hours to get that done? Oi! A long time, man, long time. Oh, karangi he. Namue. Reko, reko, reko hana. Te tapu I a koe just recovered from the flu. Well, finally rampant wear a nice. Ai ki te tama e te atua. Utanga nona. Oh, what the hell? Tanako Tamaho Motuiho. Yo, Amicus, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Chat, we are 10 away from the daily old goal. Thank you very much for the aroha today, whānau. E mihi ana kia koutou katoa mo te aroha. Tangi atu ana ki o kura kwariro ki te pō. Noa e hika te mama e te aroha e noho nei te mana wai. Oh man, I love that choral. So good. So good. Simple. It sounds amazing. I've always liked those types of chorals, I won't lie. Oi. Next gen. Thank you for the Optimus Prime as well, my brother. Tēnā koe te parata, thank you very, very much. Ooh, that's a bit off. I'm judging this all by eye chat, which is not ideal, but I can fix it up tomorrow. Stereo. Oh, chat, what am I gonna have for lunch? I ate my chicken breast last night. Hey! Nah. Oh! Look at this chat. Tara tara! Oh no, takarangi, sorry. Takarangi ki te hoi now, chat. The Takarangi is an interesting spiral pattern widely used by the Maori carving. Never listen to fucking Google chat, it's way off. Bloody papikas. Just wondering how many we're gonna do. 1, 2, maybe just 2. We'll do 2 takarangi. 2 takarangi might be the play. Because if we do 3, it'll look too busy up the top. Because see how the top is much smaller than the bottom, eh? If you look at it, you know, it fans inward. And we don't want that, kapai. That's the last thing we want, is it to look too busy. So I would say it will be better just to spread it out a little so it looks nice. Because with takarangi, although it is a simplistic design, it still looks nice and clean with less going on as well. So that's kind of what we're gonna roll with. Now it's just a matter of how we want to do it. Jeez, this might be a design I gotta do offline, all the thinking to do. Let me cook a little bit, eh? Let's see. Mr. Bricolarge, thank you very much for the 3 months as an Optimus Prime, my brother. We're getting close to the goal. Thank you very much for the Arohama, bro. If you do want to contribute towards the daily sub goal, Vano, much appreciated. Oh, hell damn. I've never done this design or drawn it live. No, that's too little. It's gotta be thick. Think big, Brooks. Think big. Ya nui nā whakaaro. Me nui nā whakaaro mō tēnei mahi at the moment. What are we crafting? So we are in the designing phase of a commission. The design you see on the side is called Uno Nahi. An inspiration of the sea. As you can see, the fish scales, you know, the twists and turns that you might see as well. The bro wanted it to represent the deep sea and space. It just so happens that we have designs for that. And we just finished that side. Now it's time to do the other side. Yeah, I'm just marinating a little bit on how I'm gonna do this design. How are you, my bro? Chat. The new side is more space. Yeah. You just make my head relax every time I watch you come, man. Appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, we just marinating a little bit on the design and how the best way to execute said design. Junior. Junior, how you been, brother? Hey, you got the donuts picking over you. What's up, man? Yeah, I had no idea what I was doing, but I just saw it and I thought maybe this is the thing that the bro was talking about. Thank you very much for the aroha, my brother. We've some of the VODs are getting worked on as well, are getting edited too. So I'm pretty happy about that. The bro. So with the editor I have, Chad, I told him like, because he does his own stuff too. I told him to prioritize that more than my stuff first. Because I know with editing carving VODs, bro, they are a bit. Whew. Well, let me just cook a little bit, Chad, and then we should be all good. Oh, kokoe! Ki te ikaroa. From the other angle, the carving kind of looks like your knee. Yeah, bro. So the design we're working on is a little bit different to the other side. Like it's a full-on switch up. So I want to make sure I get it done properly. Oh my gosh. I need a bigger table. Kikiri Hanaki. It's such a handy design too. Hold on, chat. I just got a message from my wife. Not so then. Oh, look. Te tūtira hokai. Te hiki o te reke reke. Sorry about the light chat. Matoe. Any plan for Waitangi Day? Take the kids out, pretty much. Hiri nā tamariki ki ngā wāhi. There's some Waitangi events going on around here, around these ways. So I'll most likely take them to those. Just so they know. You can see how it's different to the other side, chat. I'm still trying to get, you know, these lined up somehow. But I'm trying to keep the spacing in between these lines. Good, because they got to get cut out. This side will most likely take longer than this side. Change. Titoruati. Tēnei hira hine tapu no te whanotae. Kara ki muri te nure nunui au e te mana. Tarakis mai rā e. Tauti mai. Kia miti atu au. Well, I'm actually doing quite good. Another diamond. Hold on, chat. Just marinating in the creative juices of the brain. Tereka e. Mahue. Where are he? Ila puari hari no te toera whitiga ni mai koe. Au e piki rawa e. Wai wai a re re hua riri riri piki wara to taiaha e kahu e. Roga mai wahine. Roga mai wahine. Alai te mea honu e tuhera nei. Bear with me, chat. Bear with me. I am cooking. He mura mura. Torti, 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 tōkini kini kore miremi pi koni koni pi nakonako. Ra te ara tā ara tau. Ara whakana, ara whetuna, ara whetero, ara... Au e, oi... So I had to skip lower so I could see what I'm up to. Tēnā ia noa te whakatarani ko tēnā tuiti te hore tāta. Matau e ngā. Ki te taha te whakakapiri ki te taha ko mako. Hello Lord Spicy Monkey. Te tūtaki te haumi o te waka, kai te tūtaki te haumi o te waka. Ya ha ha. Kia te pō, marua te pō. Te aurere e. Anana! Hold on, chat. Hey, what's up, Jason? Cheer, my brother. Te wānanga. Hei! Hey! Hey ha! Hey! Hey! Hey ha! Hey! Vetero ki te rangi. Da! Yo, what's up, Loki? Loke ballin' for real. And Springbok Simmer. Tēnā kōrua. How we breathers? How we doing today? Cut out. Okay. Te mahi o te rā. Okay, pumping this design. Yeah! Yo, Luke Spark TV, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Getting us closer to that daily age goal. Appreciate you, my brother. It looks like a surfboard. Yeah, I can see why. I can see why, my brother. So, the inspiration. So, we took the shape of the canoe, brother, underneath. For this. So, we took the inspo for the canoe. Like, you know, like if you look underneath the canoe, you can kind of see the shape of it all. And that's what, that's the initial shape we went with, my bro, for this. So what I'm currently doing right now, my bro, is doing a design that kind of represents space, my bro. So we have this design that is called Takarangi. If you look at it, it kind of looks like, you know, the swirls of a distant galaxy that you may see through a telescope that none of us can afford. But lucky we got Google. Lucky we have Google, my friend. So we're good. And there it is. Fuck, I actually smashed it in one go. There we go. You know, the twists and turns that they see through the telescope. That's it there. Awesome. Kwa kohia ana kia. Hey, yo, Godsfield! Long time no see, brother. Hope you have been looking after yourself, man. I know it's late, but Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Good to see you, bro. Ngā mihi, my bro. Oh, yeah. Che, bro. Long time no see. Been moving to France? Oh, hey. Damn, my bro. All the way to France, eh? The tribes, they ever carry something like that? They would travel around like a passport. They carried a passport, clay mask. Well, the facial markings on our faces, and an introduction, like a traditional introduction would be Heaha to pepeha. What is your pepeha? So a pepeha is basically something that our ancestors would share. Now within a pepeha normally is talks about where you're from. So if I do mine, so ko manawaru te mauna, ko whakatāne te awa, ko whiarai te marae, ko te painga te hapu. So Manawaru is my mountain, Whakatāne is my river, Uwhiarai is my marae, Te Painga is my ancestor. So those are kind of the main components in ko mātātua te waka. So mātātua is my canoe. So those things that I just mentioned, you know, landmarks that'll talk about like where your tribal boundaries are. Visually, like visual wise, we have moko, like the mataora and the moko kauai, which are the facial markings that my ancestors carried on their faces. And each, you know, or every tribe within the country has their own specific way or design. Like right down to carving, or Whakairo. They have tribal styles. Not every tribe carves the same. Right down to the dialect as well. Not every tribe speaks the same Maori, or the same in Te Reo, which is our native tongue. Everyone has their own dialects of the language as well, and those were kind of like the identifiers for our people. Hey, Buzzy, seeing your name, my bro, all the way in France now, eh? Hope you've been looking after yourself though, brother. We're watching your YouTube clips, man. I love the voiceover. Yeah. I've just been trying. Hey, thank you for the 5-bomb, brother. Just been trying different stuff, my bro. But I got an editor now, so we can get to proper edited clips. So yeah, my main focus this year is YouTube. So I want to focus on YouTube more this year, and obviously streaming too. I'm gonna attempt a podcast this year, and voice acting, brother. Voice acting is something I want to get into. I've always been a fan of voice acting and how, you know, people can manipulate their voices so well. Like I got to speak with the voice actor of... Yo, thank you for another 5-bomb, bro. Oh, we had daily age goal today. Daily age goal is legit just my age shit, and it's nothing too crazy. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Where was I? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, attempting a podcast this year. And voice acting was the other thing. So we'll see how it goes, man. Mainly doing voice acting for fun. So I think it's cool. The name of the podcast is Carve It Up. I've actually got my first episode next week. So I'll have to take a day off carving to record it with the bro. Gonna record that, get that done, and we should be good. Bedtime for me. All good, brother. Hey, we'll have a proper catch up soon, my bro. We shall have a proper catch up soon. I'll most likely be back outside tomorrow. The inside stream is just mainly just to I just wanted to draw and sit down. That's all, instead of standing up. That's all it is, bro. Oh my gosh, why are you streaming inside? I just want to sit down. Thank you very much for the aroha over the last 4 carving streams, chat. We have officially hit 783. Getting back up there, chat. Getting back up there. Will it be on your YouTube? Yeah, so I'm planning to upload all the episodes on my YouTube. Carve It Up podcast, yeah. We'll see how I do. But yeah, it's all for fun, man. But the idea I want to do is like I'd rather interview like viewers, you know, people that have been here for a long time. I like to interview all the OGs. The OGs that have been around since the early days of the stream and so forth, you know. That's genuinely what I'd like to do. Alright, chat. Yeah. Sunday. That's one side. And the other. And it's ready for tomorrow. W. Double Hue. Alright. Feels good, man. Oh, where are we going? There we go. Feels good, man. Oh, I'm so happy we got it done. I was not believing, chat. I was not believing. How did we do the mic before? There we go. Yeah, I was not a believer, chat. I'll tell you that much. That I was finishing it. But it's done. Fuck, feels good, eh? I didn't want to be that guy and not, you know, get it done. Didn't want to be a T-Roy. Okay, it's how we doing, chat? Oh, YouTube! We got it done! Okay, let's open some curtains. Hey, I look like I'm in a cesspool, degenerate room. Oh, I got it done. Let's go, chat. Why do I post stuff? Why do I post stuff? Okay. So yeah, once again, that's the one for the sea. Alright, turn it around. One for space. There's more to this design, but these are like the, you know, the precautions I gotta take. W. Ah, it feels so good, bro. It feels good. It feels good. Whew, and it's hot as well. Oh, it feels good. I'm actually buzzing that we got it done. Hey, let's go, chat. And we're also at 783. Fuck, we're close to 800 on the sub goal too. It's been a W last few days, I gotta say, chat. It's actually been a W last few days. And I can't thank you enough for that being here. Being here for the progress that we've made too. W's. Yo! Tiny Pirate, thank you for the $5. Is it super chat? Is that what I want to say? Sorry, I had to scratch my head with my pencil. W day, chat. W day. Yeah, so our first episode for Carve It Up, I'll be interviewing one of the mods actually. Interviewing one of the mods, talking to him, and we'll carry on from there. But the idea is to hopefully just interview as much people as I can. But yeah, ideally I'd like to interview a lot of the viewers, all the long time viewers that've been, or everyone that's been in the streaming journey of mine the longest with me as well. And in saying that, it's not going to highlight the stream most of all. I've got some questions in there that I don't want to say just because I don't want them to think about it. Do not want them to think about it a little at all. Oh, I was glad we got it done. I didn't think I'd get it done today, to be honest. Play with the gang all night. Alright, chat. Since we're going a little bit lurky, I think that's where we have to call the stream today. I hope you all enjoyed the stream today. I know it was a bit slower than what we're normally used to outside, but I'm just glad we got it done. We got it done. These are just some of the sides to Whakairo that have to get done, pretty much. So for now, GG's. Thank you very much for the aroha today, whānau. I am going to say GG's for the day to YouTube as well. Thank you very much for joining the stream today, YouTube. Ngā mihi nui to everyone that called into the stream as well to watch me. Or to watch the work get done, I should say, not watch me. But for now, 07. Have a good one. I'll be live tonight on Broxigar, okay? Which is my alt channel within the stream title. Have a good one, guys. Didn't know how you stayed inside, but it's hot, eh? Yeah, I'm going outside to just sit outside now. So yeah, have a good one. Yeah, my other channel is just below if you want to go follow it too. It's mainly just gaming there. So GG's and see you later. Ka kite. Choo choo.